how to easily download Bilibili app. So if you want to easily download Bilibili app, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Bilibili. Now, once you've searched for it, you might find the application right here. But if you don't have the application, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Google or your browser and search for Bilibili. Once you search for the Bilibili app, now as you can see that you have the application right here. So you need to tap on the app, which is right here. Tap on it. Or if you scroll down, you may also have a Google Play option, which is right here. Under Google Play, you need to just click on install, which is on the right side, and it will start the installation process. Just tap on install. And if it's available in your region, you need to just go and download it. But in my case, in my region, it's not available, so I won't be able to download it. But if it's available, just go and simply tap on install and it will be installed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.